Hello everyone, my name is LaShondra Taylor. I am a training specialist and instructional designer. I would like to welcome you to my graduate portfolio screencast. I'm excited to take you through a journey of discovery, innovation, and growth as a student pursuing a master's in learning, technology, and design. Through this video, I'll showcase select projects that highlight not just my technical skills, but also my passion for creating meaningful, engaging learning experiences. So let's take a look at my work. Our first stop is the Collaborative Digital Storytelling Project. This project was a profound opportunity for me to work alongside fellow instructional designers. Together, we dived into our motivations for choosing this career path, using multimedia tools to combine our reflections into a captivating digital narrative. This project was not just about storytelling, it was an exercise in collaboration with fellow classmates that allowed us to reflect our collective journeys towards becoming impactful instructional designers. Next, we explored a student-centered multimedia tools for creation tutorial, focusing on Mentimeter. This assignment allowed me to demonstrate the power of learner-centered tools, employing my video creation and editing skills to craft an engaging tutorial. The essence of this project lies in its emphasis on empowering learners, showcasing how effective tools can transform educational experiences. The Principles of Design infographic project allowed me to apply key design principles in a visually engaging format. Understanding and implementing these principles is crucial in my role as a training specialist, enabling the creation of compelling graphics that capture and retain learner attention. This project underscores the importance of design and instruction, a fundamental aspect of creating effective learning experiences. In the multimedia research summary and analysis, I explored the impact of multimedia on both learners and instructors. This research informs my approach to selecting and integrating multimedia into courses, ensuring that each learning solution is not just effective, but also engaging. Applying this knowledge, I am equipped to enhance the learning experiences with carefully chosen multimedia elements. And lastly, the Student-Centered Unit of Learning project allowed me to apply the DDDE model to a real-world challenge, designing a training program for community health workers on effective communication. This project reflects my ability to create programs that resonate with diverse communities, enhancing their skills for better outcomes. This project is a testament to the power of targeted, well-designed training solutions to make a real difference. That concludes the overview of my portfolio. If you would like to explore some of these projects further, please feel free to visit my portfolio at lashondrataylor.weebly.com. I appreciate your attention during this screencast tutorial, and I hope that you found my work to be engaging and impactful. Thank you.